Okay, guys, how about this dresser? Dude, it had probably about 3 years ago, 2 years ago. I have not a clue, guys. But I've never got around to actually finish, to paint it like I wanted to. This, of course, is a thrift find. And the top, I was thinking about sanding, getting like this stuff off. And I'm just going to paint this whole John white and leave and spray paint these gold. So that's the plan. So you ain't gonna see no gold like that. Everything gonna be white. Everything gonna be white. And I only paid, dang, I think $10, $18. Okay, this is a tag that's on it. It was only $24.99. But I want to say it was half off that day. That was the color because it's from Goodwill. And I think my mom got an additional senior citizen discount. Y'all, all I gotta say, it was under $20 for sure. It was under 20. And I would have paid the $24.99 or whatever that price tag just said. So yes, I'm in my kitchen because this bad boy's too heavy. But it's a nice piece. That felt weird. So I'm gonna paint it, and of course, I'll give y'all the before and after, but I just wanted to show y'all again how it looked before I painted it. Fun times. I'm going to get these drawers together and paint it and paint the, what do you call it, knobs, handles, whatever. Y'all see it. And this is the after, guys. It still needed maybe like a little bit, some more touch-ups. But y'all get the gist of it. It's because I've been placing stuff on it. This is going in my bedroom. I don't know if I mentioned that in the before video. But it is not staying in my kitchen. But look how cute it is. I'm telling you guys, don't sleep on Goodwill and thrift stores and secondhand stores. Search around. Make y'all money stretch, guys. Y'all can still have nice items. So that's that. Cuteness. Thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you guys tomorrow. Deuces.